Hi everyone, this is Brennan from the saltwaterspa.com. Today we're going to show you how to replace an old cell with a brand new cell. It's fairly easy to do. It only takes about 5 minutes. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to start by removing the old cell. We're going to loosen off these light gray plastic nuts here. It's easier if you do both sides. We're going to take this side right off and we're going to pull out the wiring to expose the connections. Just like that. We're going to take our Phillips screwdriver. We're going to loosen these screws. So that's how easy it is to remove the old cell. Remember to take this plastic nut off of your wire. So we're going to grab our new cell. This is the replacement. Comes with the black connector. We're going to remove the black plastic nut, a little rubber insert, and this third piece here. And we're going to feed those onto the wire. Okay, on our black connector, you'll see two little metal holes. That's where the wires are going to connect into. And there's two little set screws here that hold the wire into place. So we're going to start by loosening those screws. Like so. Okay, and we're going to put these wires in to the black connector, and we're going to tighten the screws. If you want to, you could trim this white wire a little bit shorter. I'm not going to, but if you want, you can do that. Okay, just test that connection, just make sure it's in there solid and it doesn't pull out. We're just going to screw everything back together. And that's all it takes. It takes less than 5 minutes to do. We have a brand new cell. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email address is brennan@thesaltwaterspa.com. Or you can go to www.thesaltwaterspa.com. We have a contact page that you can get a hold of us, as well as a whole bunch of information about our units. Thanks.